Greetings. I am Solomon Robbins, getting you ready for a gravel bike ride. When you stand over the bike, you should have enough clearance, and when you sit on the saddle, your legs should bend slightly at the bottom of the pedal stroke. Use a pump to bring the tires to the right pressure for gravel biking. Then squeeze both brake levers and make sure the bike stops smoothly. Pick a pair of shoes that give you solid grip on the pedal and enough comfort if you need to walk part of the trail. Shift through a couple of gears and test the brakes again and make sure your helmet is secure. Gravel can shift under your tires, so stay loose, steer smoothly, and enjoy the ride. Thanks for watching.